The first ever documentary film bazaar inaugurated on day 2 of the 18th edition of the Mumbai International Film Festival. DD India correspondent Shyam Mishra gives us a flavour of all the action from MIFF, the one place where the audience can get to see documentaries, short fiction and animation films.
A celebration of the spirit of Indian documentaries at full display at the 18th edition of Mumbai International Film Festival. The Documentary Film Bazaar aims to give a boost to the thriving documentaries by providing a unique platform for filmmakers to connect with buyers, sponsors and collaborators.
Major cinema company, it is a state-run company in our country. It was founded 100 years back in 1924. So today, this year, we are celebrating 100 years of its activity.
We have 5-6 films in MIFF, documentary films, and a director from Iran has also come, Mohammad Khiryandish. He will also be in the panel discussion. His film is Dolphin Boy. So we are actually representing the culture and the tourism of Iran.
16 projects at development stage were showcased as part of Doc Bazaar co-production market with an aim to connect filmmakers with potential collaborators, producers, co-producers and financiers from around the globe.
It's a great platform for documentary filmmakers to get an opportunity to meet co-producers and investors and OTTs and all who can sort of come in and take this movie to take all of their projects to the next level.
The edition received 840 submissions, out of which 77 films are contesting in the national competition. A remarkable 30 films by debutant directors and 12 student works have found their place among the contestants. There are categories including national documentary, short fiction and animation, Indian Amrit Kaal, in which the films are competing.
It's a very beautiful way to get to know the country, to see what are the people busy with, what are they thinking about, what are they making the films about. And it's actually a very beautiful way to dive into this place. And
I think especially we're doing the documentaries, a lot of the documentaries, but also in fiction, it's very important to have the issues that have to be dealt with in society and to bring them on the screen and to reflect what's going on in the society.
There are films under special country focus packages, Divyangjan packaged films, selected packages of films on wildlife, mission life and films by Asian women filmmakers and more at the 18th edition.
With camera person Gaurav Kagra, this is Shyam Mishra for DD India, Mumbai.
DD India's Shyam Mishra also had an exclusive conversation with eminent filmmaker Shyam Benegal. He praised the films and documentaries at the film festival and lauded the youth for making such movies. Take a listen.
The great filmmaker Shyam Benegal is here with us. Sir, congratulations on Manthan, and we saw it at Cannes Film Festival, the revived category rather. You are here at MIFF. How do you see this as a platform? This is because especially for documentaries and filmmakers.
The most important thing is I'm very impressed with the quality of the short films. And it was an eye-opener because short films and documentaries were always looked down upon for many years. But suddenly, when I saw this, I said, my God, the quality of films that are being made by our youth, young people, excellent. That's my answer to your question.
Okay. Since you've already mentioned, there are some great movies that you've seen, and I'm sure there are a lot more that you've not seen. The right kind of platform, and Doc Bazaar is one place where the talk of business happens, and then they can actually make that thing happen to reach to people. How do you see Doc Bazaar? And this is the first of kind happening at MIFF.
Well, we have only one problem. There are no kind of set of cinemas where you can see films of this kind on a regular basis, because that would help the filmmakers to also get part of the revenue. Now what it becomes a one-way street. You have to get money from somewhere, make the film, nobody is sure, particularly when you want to make short films. They'll all say, where will you show?
Yeah, exactly.
How will you recover the cost of the film? That's a big problem. And that's why under these very trying circumstances, to see the quality of films that I saw today is quite amazing.